Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to find friends on Instagram. So what you should do first is go to your profile. So click over here to your profile. Then you can click this 3 horizontal lines on top of your screen. And then search for Discover People button. So it's down here. You can click on this button here and then you will be requested to access your contacts from your phone. You can continue. And then here you will have several recommendations from users that has mutual followers with you. And there are so many suggestions over here. You can just scroll down. Or you can also connect to your contacts over here or connect to your Facebook, so you will get so many recommendations from your contacts and from your Facebook and get more friends from there. So that's how you find friends on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in other tutorial from this channel.